Hi guys, welcome to FM1 Tuition. Today we're going to do some multiplying. We're going to show you different methods to multiply. Okay, in order to multiply, there's a few different methods we could use. Let's first of all come up with a few numbers, and we'll start off small first. So I say 12 times 3. If you notice, the first thing I did was I put the units together, tens together, etc., hundreds, thousands, etc. So first of all, you do 3 times 2, which is 6, and then 3 times 1, which is 3, and that's all the numbers we got down here, so that's the final answer, 36. So now if you make the number slightly higher, say 12 times, say 36 this time. Okay, first of all you do 6 times 2, which is 12. Put the 1 up here. So the 1 is carried forward to the tens unit. Then 6 times 1, which is 6, plus the 1, that's 72. Then you got 3 now, 3 times 2. But first of all, remember the 3 is in the tens unit. So we're going to put 0 here. Then we do 3 times 2, which is 6. And then 3 times 1, which is 3. Then just add the numbers together. So 2 plus 0 is 2. 7 plus 6 is what? 6, 12, 13. Carry the 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4, 3, 2. You guys can check on the calculator right now if you wish. Alright, so let's just move the board slightly up and let's figure out different numbers and use a different method. So let's make it slightly harder. Say 41 times 15. Okay, so what's the answer to this? First of all, let's separate the units and the tens. So you got 40 here and you got 1, draw a box. Then you got 10 here, another box, and a 5. Okay, so you got 10 times 40, that's 400. 10 times 1 is 10. 40 times 5, so what's 4 times 5? 5, 10, 15, 20, plus a 0 at the end, don't forget, so you got 200. Then 5 times 1 is 5. Add it together, you got 410 here, you got 205 here, so the total answer is what? 615. Okay, let's pause it here and check in your calculator if this is correct, which it is, by the way. So no need to check, but just for your own satisfaction, go for it. Just going to show you one last method before we take a little break. Let's make it slightly difficult now. Let's use 3 numbers. So say 2, 3, 2 times 4, 1, 5. So how do we do this? Make another grid, 2, 3, 2 like this, 4, 1, 5 below. Draw a grid. Let's make it a bit more neater this time. There you go. And then the final step is draw a diagonal line for the units and the tens, like this. Okay, that's your first step. Get the grid ready. So once the grid is ready, you just multiply each box by itself. So you got 4 times 2, which is what? 8. You put the 8 here, and it's 0. This is for the tens unit. 4 times 3 is what? 4, 8, 12. 1 here, 2 here. 4 times 2 again, 0, 8. 1 times 2, 2. 1 times 3, and 1 times 2, 2. And finally, 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. And 5 times 2 is 10. And then let me get a red marker. You just add them together. So that's 0 here. And then get the red marker. Okay. That's 0 here. 5 plus 1 plus 2. 5 plus 1 plus 2 as well. 5, 7, 8. Then you got 8, 0, 3, 1. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Put 2 here. Carry the 1 up here into the next column. 0 plus 2 plus 0 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. Put 6 here. And you got 1 plus 8 plus 0, and then you got 0 up ahead. 1 plus 8 plus 0 is 9. And that's just a 0. So the answer should be 96,280. So apologies if the writing wasn't clear, or I think some of the numbers were not really visible, but check out FM1 Tuition and hopefully you can find other videos to help you out.